Wow, this is fucking phenomenal. I like how this light is. It's dark, but not that dark, but not even light. It's 10:37, I think, and I'm almost to my hop out. I believe there's a train on top of the bridge, but it's not going where I want to go, because it's going to go into a dead-end yard, which I don't need that. I definitely don't. Yeah. But what I'm in was a yard at one point. I guess they moved it to North Baltimore. But yeah, this is pretty much it's going to be my little hop out for a minute, for a bit. I don't think that's a train though. Let's see. Yeah. And then we got houses over there. I bet this wasn't an easy hop. This could have been a hard hop too. Because you got this yard. You got this whatever. It's amazing how abandoned this is though. It's pretty much abandoned. Which is sucky. You know? We're almost at our area. I may not even be able to catch out here, which would suck. Now, if we do catch a train, it's probably going to be in the middle over there, because this is pretty much a what I'm on is a non-used rail. Non-used. It's kaput. Oh shit. Hold up. I hear an engine. I may have to crawl. Whoa. Mud. They're not gonna even expect a hopper out here. A 100%. Totally not.